Hello GME aspirants, welcome back to our next interesting lectures or next interesting module number 5, refrigeration and air conditioning system. So very first lectures number 1, basics refrigeration system and its cycle. So what is ship's refrigeration system? Ship refrigeration system plays a vital part on ships carrying refrigerated cargo, and for the crew or passengers, refrigeration prevents any damage to the cargo or decay of perishable foods like growth of microorganisms, oxidation, fermentations and dryings out of cargo. And these are the basics of refrigeration cycle. Four important components.
Hi GME aspirants, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. I hope you like this video. One thing that you have to remember is that you have to join top-notch shipping company or college with sponsorship and in the shortest time possible, because time is money and time कभी वापस नहीं आएगा. Now guys, I have got two suggestions. One is GME live classes. Enroll, fantabulous results. घर के comfort zone में बैठ के पढ़ाई करो. Another is 100% results, shortest time possible. Join SMBD Marine Academy offline coaching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. लिंक सबके डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में.
Four important component. What are those? First one is very first compressor. Second one is, please write it down. ये सारे things पूछे जाते हैं. Compressor, condenser, expansion valve, and number 4 is evaporator. These are the four important components in vapor compression refrigeration system, VCRS. Clear? Now our main aim is to solving numericals and conceptual objective type questions. VCRS. So this is our VCRS cycle. This one is evaporator, expansion valve, receivers, condenser, compressor. So what is compressor? How to define compressor? The low pressure and temperature vapor refrigeration from evaporator is drawn in the compressor through the inlet and suction valve A. Inlet and suction valve A. So the low pressure and low temperature vapor refrigerant. Inlet to the compressor is low pressure and low temperature vapor refrigerant. Always remember, please note it down, objective type of questions. Inlet to the compressor is low pressure or low temperature vapor refrigerant. But on board ship, we can't say that much low as compared to your domestic refrigeration's pressure. So in onboard ship, we can still say yes, medium pressure and medium temperature, medium pressure and medium temperature vapor refrigerant. But I am indicating here low pressure and low temperature vapor refrigerant enters into the compressor. What is the state of refrigerant? Vapor. Clear? Any doubt? Now, where it's compressed to a high pressure and high temperature. Clear? Outlet of this compressor is high pressure and high temperature vapor refrigerant. High pressure and high temperature vapor refrigerant. Now enters to the condenser. Enters to the condenser. What condenser does? Letter आते हैं इसमें. Clear? Vapor refrigerant is discharged into the condenser through a delivery and discharge valve B. Clear? Any doubt? Condenser consists of coils of pipes in which high pressure and high temperature vapor refrigerant is cooled and condensed. So vapor is getting condensed inside this condenser. Condenser is a heat exchanger device which convert vapor into liquid, but with constant pressure. With constant pressure. Clear? Pressure यहाँ change नहीं होगा. Clear? So the outlet of the condenser, you may get high pressure and high temperature. Okay, bit falls down in temperature but not much. बहुत ही small amount of temperature. Still we can say high pressure and high temperature liquid refrigerant. High pressure and high temperature liquid refrigerant. Clear? Now enters into receiver. Now enters into receivers. तो actually condenser में क्या हो रहा है? Heat rejection process takes place in condenser. Heat rejection, QR. heat rejection process takes place in condenser, and then again it goes to the receiver. It is a storage device. Clear? And from this receiver it goes to the expansion valve. It goes to the expansion valve. Or now, what is expansion valve? See here. It allows the liquid refrigerant under high pressure and high temperature to passes at a controlled rate after reducing its pressure and temperature. Your expansion valve, it allows the refrigerant to go into the evaporator. It controls the degree of superheat. So inlet is high pressure, high temperature liquid refrigerant, and outlet is low pressure, low temperature liquid plus little bit small amount of some vapor particles, but 95% or greater than 95% it contain liquid. Clear? Not vapor. 95-98% is liquid only. Clear? So low pressure and low temperature liquid refrigerant. Clear? So inlet is high pressure, high temperature liquid refrigerant. Outlet is low pressure, low temperature liquid refrigerant. Now enter into the evaporator. Ab evaporator, this is only refrigerating process, or we can say this is only refrigerating room, refrigerating effect. Clear? Any doubt? So again your low pressure, low temperature liquid refrigerant absorb heat from surrounding, and it get converted into low pressure and low temperature vapor refrigerant. Then outlet is low pressure and low temperature vapor refrigerant. Clear? So evaporator consists of coils or pipes in which liquid refrigerant and at low pressure and low temperature evaporator and change into vapor refrigerant at low pressure and low temperature, and that vapor refrigerant is again goes to the compressor, and it compresses to high pressure and high temperature. Again high pressure and high temperature goes to condenser, heat rejections takes place, vapor get condensed into a liquid, and that liquid is having high pressure and high temperature liquid refrigerant. Again it goes to the receiver, again it goes to the expansion valve, that high pressure and high temperature liquid get converted into low pressure and low temperature liquid refrigerant, and again it enters into the evaporator. Clear? Any doubt? So this is the cycle of refrigerant cycle. Now what are the property of refrigerant? Many time asked in IMS Goa, SIMS, GIMS, Anglo, SCI. Clear? Many time these properties. So what are the desirable properties of good refrigerant? Very first, low boiling point. First point is low boiling point. Second, low freezing point. Third, positive gauge pressure in condenser and evaporator but not very high. High latent heat of vaporization. Very important. High latent heat of vaporization. What are the chemical properties? Non-toxic, non-flammable and non-explosive, non-corrosive, chemically stable. Number 5, no effect on quality of stored product. Number 5. Clear? So these are the desirable properties. काफी सारे क्वेश्चंस इन प्रॉपर्टीज चाहते हैं. लो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट, लो फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट, हाई latent heat of vaporization. Clear? So these are the properties of refrigerant. Now examples. The highest temperature in the vapor compression cycle occurs at where? Where is the highest temperature? Again asked in all examples, asked in IMS Goa, GIMS, clear, SCI, SIMS, Anglo and Synergy. So the higher temperature in the vapor compression cycle occurs at where? Compressor discharge. Clear? In refrigeration system, the expansion device is connected between the suppose this one is your compressor, then this one is condenser, this is compressor, condenser, then expansion valve, then your evaporator, then compressor. So this expansion valve is connected in between this condenser and evaporator. Check options. compressor and condenser, evaporator and compressor, condenser and evaporator, none of the above. So C is the correct one. Clear? In a refrigeration cycle, heat is rejected by the refrigerant in heat rejected process in this condenser and heat absorbed by evaporator. Always remember, please note it down. In refrigeration cycle, heat rejected at constant pressure, heat rejected, HR stands for heat rejected at constant pressure in condenser, and heat absorbed, HA stands for heat absorbed at constant pressure in evaporator. Clear? Any doubt? So question is, in refrigeration cycle, heat is rejected by the refrigerant in which one? Condenser. Clear? Now next question. In vapor compression refrigeration cycle, pressure remains constant in expansion valve में प्रेशर कांस्टेंट होता है. नो, दिस इज आइसेंथाल्पिक प्रोसेस, मींस योर इंथैल्पी इज कांस्टेंट. इंथैल्पी इज कांस्टेंट. प्लीज राइट इट डाउन. अगेन सेम क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड इन सिनर्जी. इंथैल्पी इज कांस्टेंट इन एक्सपेंशन प्रोसेस. ठीक है, नोट प्रेशर. कंप्रेसर नो, कंप्रेसर में तो compress no, from lower pressure to higher pressure no. Condenser yes, heat rejection at constant pressure. So this is the correct one. In vapor compression refrigeration cycle, enthalpy remains constant during which process? Expansion process. Ammonia is non-toxic, non-flammable, toxic and non-flammable, highly toxic and inflammable. D is the correct one.